recording.
She want freestyle, bitches. Dip, set.
Wow.
Okay, dip, set. These niggas is not seeing you. But look here, look here, look here. Alright. Stop, you hating ass niggas, dog.
MP is hard.
I love the haters. Let me stop talking. Let me go ahead and go in. Look. Yeah, they say money to be made. Already did it, bitch. I'm back to the dough. Okay, let me spit the shit. Talking at your ass. Okay, you gon' feel the clip. Hollow sister, bust your ass and have your ass leaking quick. Okay, got a G1 text, bitch. So let me check it for you metros wearing bitches. Niggas know for my shit. When I do it shit, yeah, even girls on my dick and they love my shit. Yes, I got bad bitches all on my dick and they call my nigga phone just to see if I'm gon' hit, and you know I'm on my shit every time I do it now. Yes, you know my shit is good, and I'll say that shit loud. Yes, I'm smoking on that weed again. Got my niggas tripping, and they laughing when I do this shit. Bitches on my dick, and everyone want me to suck it quick. They be like, Lonnie, baby, I love you, want some extra shit. Fuck this shit. Yeah, I got one bitch that I wanna see too. Yeah, her name be Jenna, but I think I wanna slide through. See what's popping in that lap. See what's happening from that back. Yeah, she got a pretty face, titties. I can handle that.
Hey.
They know I'm right with that. Yes, they know that thunder cap. If I make that thunder clap, hope that you can hold about that. Oh, you got a vest or two. Show you what my squad to do. Yeah, we got bitches on our dick. What about you? I told these niggas, dog. Stupid north side, niggas. Go in, Lewis.
That nigga said fat bitches on his dick.
I go stupid on this shit. Bam.
I'ma go stupid, and I'ma get him, girl. And welcome to your boy Airflow's fucking world. And you know it's mine, it's all mine, and you know them proud dimes, yeah, it's all mine. So I'ma keep it like that, rolling like tissue paper, and I'ma get it like that, yeah. Fuck them haters, and we gon' get that paper, and we gon' stack it up, and you know she back it up like a fucking Tonka truck. Yeah, you know we throw it up. What's the sign that you call Super Northside motherfucker? Yeah, you know that we ball. It's just like Jordan, especially in the mall. I'm like Jordan cause I'm scoring. Yeah, you know you better record him cause you know I make the pocket. And you know I got that pocket. And you know we made that pocket. Yeah, yeah, you know we sell by your shit, and we say bye to your bullshit, to your fucking ass, hating ass. Yeah, you know we get it like that. Yeah, we got that special cash.
Yeah,
we got that special cash up in the pocket. And the only thing I keep in my wallet is a Trojan for your bitch, and a condom. Anything you can think of.